How to remove payment method in Canadian Tire app. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome for now. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Canadian Tire login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. Well, it will be landing you on the official page of Canadian Tire. In order to add credit or debit card, first of all you have to log into your specific account. So in here, enter your username and the password of your specific account and then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be logged into your account. After that, head over to your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then move into settings. Inside settings, head over to payment method. In this page, you will be able to see all the list of the card that you have added in Canadian Tire app. Click on the card that you want to remove. Once you click on it, all of the card details will be visible to you. At the bottom, the option of remove will also be visible to you. Click on it. And for the confirmation, once again click on remove. After that, your payment card will be removed and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card in Canadian Tire app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.